是艾琳老师，我是艾琳老师. This week is oncoming to week 12, and it's almost the end of our first trimester. So, taking a look at some of the things that we've learned so far, we've learned b, p, m, f, d, t, n, th, g, k, h, 鸡 qi, xi, zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, and ci, which is the chewing that we learned last week. This week we're going to learn si, and then taking a look at this, we're going to learn si. It kind of has a sound like s, so si. And a word that uses that is 厕所, which means restroom. 厕所, and that's one way to say it. There's a lot of ways to say it, but for the purpose of the class, this is how I will be teaching the kids to say it. 厕所. And we're also going to learn E, and many of you have heard of E because it means one. E1. So, taking a look at the homework for the week. This is our homework. It's and the sentence that they're going to be writing is, what they're going to be looking at is 我想去厕所. 我想去厕所, which means I want to go to the restroom. Starting from this week, I'm going to teach kids how to say it so that by December, that I'm aiming for, they will be able to tell me, instead of I want to go to the restroom, they'll tell me 我想去厕所, I want to go to the restroom. And I'll either say 可以 or 不可以, depending on the time. Okay? And then on the back, we have E. Very simple. And then our sentence is 我有一个家. 我有一个家, which means I have a house. For starting from this month on, for their homework, I want the kids to find the chewing that we're learning for the week and circle it, or color or whatever, as long as they identify it. Also, on this page, it's somewhere over here. Not gonna say where, but hopefully you can find it. And our math homework, it looks a little different now because we are now learning 11, which means 11. So I've shown you an example of what this looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I also want the kids to draw the dots by themselves over here, okay? And they should be able to start writing their Chinese name. If they can't, it's okay. Have them try their best. But I want them to start writing their Chinese names here. And also, I know there's no space here, so maybe over here. Okay? And so, looking back at our screen, we're learning again Si and E. For math, we are learning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But guess what? We're going to move on to the number 11. So basically, all you do is put 10 and E next to each other, kind of like on the homework, and I'll show you again what that looks like. Ta-da! You basically put 10, E next to each other, and that is 11, 11. Okay? The reason I'm pulling this out is because I want you to see what the numbers look like separately, but then now the kids are going to need to start identifying the pattern of 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, 13, and so on and so forth. Okay? And reviewing our shapes and colors, we've learned 黄色, which means yellow, and they've learned 圆形, or 圈圈, which means circle. They've also learned 红色, which is this certain color. They've learned 正方形, which is the shape, the 形状, or they've learned 四角形, or 四边形, which is all the same thing, square. Okay? Also, taking a look at this last one, we've learned 橘色 because we have been singing the 橘色 song for quite a while now, and we've learned 黑色, 橘色, 黑色, and this shape is called a 三角形, 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 which means triangle. Okay? That's pretty much the content for this week. It's very short, very brief. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, contact me. And again, 我是艾莉老师。再见，再见。